Very good evening, students. Today in this video we are going to discuss chapter similar triangles of exercise 8.1. First sum, in a triangle PQR, ST is a line such that PS by SQ equal to PT by TR and angle TSP equal to angle PRQ. We need to prove that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Okay, triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. So by using BPT and also converse of BPT, we need to solve this theorem. Let's solve, students. Student, first write down what is given in the question. So given that triangle PQR is a triangle where ST is a line such that PS by SQ equal to PT by TR, and given that angle S equal to angle R, students. Angle S equal to angle R. So we need to prove that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Okay, what is an isosceles triangle? It should have two equal sides, right, with two angles. Okay, isosceles triangle having two equal angles. Okay, now, so from the triangle PQR, students, the ratio was given in the question itself, right? That is in the given PS by SQ equal to PT by TR. Therefore, what the converse of BPT tells us in a triangle, if a line divides in the same ratio, then that line will be parallel to the third side, right? Then that line will be parallel to third side. Therefore, here ST will be parallel to QR, students. That is by using converse of BPT. Okay. Now, and what is given in the question itself? Angle S equal to angle R, that is given. Okay. Angle S equal to angle R. So keep it as equation 1. So similarly, from the triangle PQR, similarly from the triangle PQR. Okay, now similarly from the triangle PQR, students, from the triangle PQR, angle S and angle Q, these two angles are on the same side of a transversal. Therefore, it forms a corresponding angle, students. Therefore, angle S and angle Q are corresponding angles. Therefore, their angles will be equal, right? So, using that property, so from the figure, from the triangle, PST equal to angle PQR, because angle S and angle Q are corresponding angles, students. Angle S and angle Q are corresponding angles. So that point you mention here. Keep it as equation 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, angle R will be equal to angle Q, students. Angle R will be equal to angle Q from 1 and 2. Therefore, angle R equal to angle Q. The side opposite to equal angles are equal. The sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Therefore, it forms a isosceles triangle, students. Okay. Then we go for next sum. Show what is second one given here. In the given figure, LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. Prove that AM by AB equal to AN by AD. Okay. From the figure, LM is parallel to CB. LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. Okay, and we need to prove that AM by AB equal to AN by AD. That one we need to prove. Okay, let's start. So first, what is given in the question? Student, write down that. Given that LM is parallel to CB. Okay, and LN is parallel to CD. That is given in the question. We need to prove that AM AM by AB equal to AN by AD. That ratio we need to find. Okay. Now consider triangle. No, from the triangle ABC, from the triangle ABC students, from the triangle ABC, take down that figure separately for your understanding, students. Okay, know it in the exam, no need of drawing separately. For your understanding, I draw separately. That's it. Okay, from the triangle ABC, okay, ML is paired to BC, right? Okay, so by using BPT, how this ratio will be divided? How we can take the ratio, students? AM by AB equal to AL by AC. Okay, AM by AB equal to AL by AC. That is equation 1. So similarly, from the triangle, the bottom triangle. Similarly, from the bottom triangle, ADC, where LN is paired to CD, right? So using BPT, students, if a line is paired to the third side, then it divides in the same ratio, right? Therefore, AN by ND equal to AL by LC, students. AN by ND equal to, or AN by AD equal to AL by AC. Okay, this is equation 2. From BPT, students, we have taken this ratio using BPT theorem. Okay, from 1 and 2, compare. We get AM by AB equal to AN by ND. AN by AD, because in equation 1 and equation 2, AL by AC is common, right? We can eliminate that, and we can, what is left out? AM by AB and AN by AD is left out. That is a required proof. That is a required conclusion. Okay, hence proved, students. So continuation we'll see in the other videos. Thank you for watching.